Hello, my name is Ed Garruto, and I am a certified financial planner at M Financial Planning Services in Marlton, New Jersey. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the bucket strategy, which is a strategy designed to help you sustain your retirement income. Before we talk about the strategy, let's take a look at investor tendencies and market timing. This chart actually shows the S&P 500 on the orange line, and the blue represents investor fund flows into the stock market and then out of the stock market. So you can see that when the S&P 500 is up, investors are piling into the market. But yet when it actually falls a little bit, investors are getting out. And so what do we have? We have a situation where investors are buying high and selling low. And that's really not a good way to sustain a retirement portfolio. So here's the bucket strategy. With the bucket strategy, we take an investment or retirement portfolio and we allocate it to three buckets. The first bucket is a very conservative bucket, and it'll contain 2 to 3 years of living expenses. It'll be conservatively invested, cash, CDs, ultra-short bond funds. The second bucket is a more moderate bucket that will have 3 to 7 years of living expenses allocated to it. It will be invested in core bond funds, mortgage-backed securities, floating rate bonds, and maybe some dividend-paying blue chip stocks. The third bucket, where the remainder of the portfolio will be invested, is a growth portfolio that'll hold large cap and small cap stocks, international, emerging markets, maybe even some alternative funds. Periodically, we will rebalance these buckets so that as bucket 1 becomes depleted through spending, we'll take some money from bucket 2 and move it to bucket 1. And as bucket 3 appreciates, we'll move money from bucket 3 to bucket 2. So, with the bucket strategy, we can feel more confident because we know that we have 3 to 10 years of living expenses invested in either very conservative or moderate investments. This should really give us the fortitude to ride through some of the inevitable ups and downs of the market. So, thank you for watching today. There is a link to my email address if you have any questions. There's also a link if you would like to subscribe to my weekly newsletter. Thanks again, and have a great day.